Winter storm is coming. Here are some essential tips to protect your home from frozen pipes. 1. Locate your water shutoff valve outside. Be ready to spring into action if a pipe breaks. 2. Disconnect and insulate your garden hose to prevent any unwanted freezing. 3. Inside, keep your faucets dripping slowly to keep those pipes flowing. 4. Don't forget to open cabinet doors under sinks. Let that warm air work its magic. 5. If your washer is in the garage, make sure to turn off the water supply. Stay warm and water safe this season. #Home tips. Winter prep. Pipe protection.